So while as far as the case is concerned, let's also have a look if abetment can be applied to this case. So for that, we need to also have a look at some of the legal proceedings wherein in 2022, this year only, there was an observation made by the MP High Court who said that words spoken in anger are not considered, perhaps they do not come under the abetment of suicide. Well, that is one of the observations that has been made. Back in October this year, the Supreme Court said acts of accused must be approximated to occurrence. And of course, as far as the matter is concerned, the entire debate is if abetment can be applied to this case, and for that we need to also look into the observations that have been made by the courts previously. In 2022, same month, the Supreme Court also said that for abetment there must be proof of incitement. Well, on the basis of these as well, we have to look into this particular case. In September last year, the Supreme Court also said in one of the cases, can't be convicted without positive act of instigation. So yes, another observation made by the top court. Back in October 2018, Madras High Court said go and die does not amount to abetment of suicide. So of course, as far as these observations are concerned, several observations have been made by the High Courts and Supreme Courts, and this is where the entire debate boils down to whether this comes also will come under the abetment of suicide angle.
Okay, all right. Let's also talk about how Bollywood is looking at it. Bollywood star Kangana Ranaut has spoken up for Tunisha Sharma. Kangana has put out a lengthy post on social media saying Tunisha's love was an easy target for exploitation because the other person was in it only to use and abuse her. Kangana even going to the extent of calling Tunisha's death a murder.
I won't be surprised if you see the Walker case or if you see Tanisha's case. There is a common link in all this thing. That is why all of us today met the CM and the DCM, because love jihad is a menace in our society. It's a disease that has been spreading. It is a big conspiracy against the Hindu community, and that has to be stopped. And in this Tanisha's case also, definitely there is a love jihad angle. And in the coming time, the particular the co-actor should be investigated.
लव जिहाद है क्या? लव जिहाद मतलब क्या? ये तो फालतू बातें हैं. और मुस्लिम लड़का हिंदू से, हिंदू लड़का मुस्लिम से हमेशा लव होता है, प्यार होता है, शादी होती है. अब इसको जो है इसको अलग एंगल में ले जाना, मैं समझता हूँ कि ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ पोलराइज करने के लिए मुस्लिम हिंदू को आपस में लड़ाने की झगड़ा और कुछ नहीं. बहुत सारे मुस्लिम लड़कियों से शादी हिंदुओं की हुई है, दूसरे रिलीजन की हुई है और बहुत तकलीफ में है. हर धर्म के अंदर गलत लोग हैं, क्रिमिनल लोग हैं. कानून बने सबके लिए इकट्ठा, जो कानून बने वो सबके साथ अगर इंसाफ करे तो कोई एतराज नहीं.
ये जो नया केस आया है ये तो साफ तरह से प्रूव करता है कि लव जिहाद जैसा कानून महाराष्ट्र में और पूरे देश में होने की आवश्यकता है. महाराष्ट्र के कई जिलों में इस प्रकार की घटनाएं बड़े पैमाने पे घटित हो रही. तो रिलीजन को लोग यही समस्या थी. शी रिफ्यूज फ्लैटली to convert herself into the Muslim community, and that was then he broke the relationship. And so this is the clear-cut case of love jihad, and so there should be law on love jihad with immediate effect.
It is unfortunate for him to give this type of statement. And as I told you yesterday also, if anyone is doing anything wrong, a proper FIR should be filed against him, investigation should be done, and if he is involved somewhere, severe punishment should be done to him. But there is nothing such as love jihad and casteism and all. I said love is pure. It can happen to anybody, anywhere, in any country, any caste, any religion.